Hey everyone, welcome to Mother's Day cards. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up card for your mom as a gift for this Mother's Day. So now I do have two different colors of paper here. I do just have a white one that I'm going to use as my actual card. So I'll fold that in half later. And then I did use the color purple for my flowers. You can use different colored paper if you like to, that works. Or if you want to make them different colors, you can use all kinds of different colored paper. So what you'll need are some scissors, like I said, a couple different pieces of paper. I do have a colored pencil here. You can use whatever you'd like to decorate it, but this is all I'm going to use for today. A pencil, a ruler, and some glue. You could also use a glue stick to make it easier too. So as you can see here, I've made my little flowers. And what you'll need, you will need 7 flowers altogether. So I have 6 prepped already. And I am going to show you with my piece of paper here. So I did cut 4 by 4, so you want an even square all around. And I'm going to move actually this out of the way for now and then bring it back. So I used my ruler and I used a mark 4 inches by 4 inches. And then I cut those all out. So here I'm going to show you how you're going to fold your square pieces of paper. So you're going to fold it in half, straight across, and then you're going to fold it again. And then you want to make a triangle. So you're going to fold it a 3rd time. So this is how all your flowers are going to come out. So each 4 by 4 square that you make, you want to make it to a triangle. And on that triangle, you're going to use your pencil. And you're just going to make like a little flower petal design. So I'm going to show you that. So as you can see, you want one end of your triangle and then draw a petal up from that. And that's what you're going to cut out. I'm going to use my scissors here. Throw that away. And then you want to unfold your flower. So there's your flower, you can see. And from there, once you get those lines from folding your piece of paper, you want to cut that out. So I'm going to outline that for you. So there, you only want to cut out 1 petal of your flower. So you can see there, that is the one I'm going to cut out. Take my scissors, follow those lines, and cut that little piece out. All right, so you won't need it again. And with this, you're going to take your glue, either Elmer's or glue stick, and you want to put some glue, stir it around a little bit, on the petal to where you just cut that one out, and then fold over your other petal to kind of glue it on top of that one. And then fold it down. So it kind of curves your flower. And then there, you want to fold, just keep it folded, just once. All right, so then I'm going to bring my other flowers over here. And with this, the gluing part might be a little tricky. So I'm going to start off with my middle piece here. So this will be the middle flower. And then I want to put glue on just the ends of the petal, just the 2 ends opposite, just like that. You want to take one and make sure the edge is on the inside and the petals are facing out. So you kind of want to line them up and just glue the tip of the petal. And then take your other petal, again, edge on the inside, petals out, and line it up with your other one. And then you want to take your next flower. So this will be the 4th flower that you're going to glue, and just glue it again on these end petals again. So that just the ends of them right up top. Again, edges inside, petals out. Oh, actually, edges inside and then petals out. And then 2 more on the edges. So this is the middle top again. So you're kind of making a gluing pattern. I'm going to put my glue so it sticks. Glue your 2 down. And then your last flower will be glued on top. So just the ends. And then glue that down. All right. So should look like this. On either end, you should have 2 flowers up top. So you can kind of see it kind of folds out. So make sure that the glue is dry on them because they might come off. And then with your piece of paper, your big one, I am just going to fold it in half because this is where I'm gonna, on the inside, I'm gonna glue my flowers so that when you open up your card, it folds open. So first, I'm just going to write Happy Mother's Day on the front. Happy and then Mother's. All right, so there's my Happy Mother's Day. Then I'm gonna open it up, and I am just going to glue the ends of the top part. So then it should open up, okay? So it should work just on the tip of the middle one. I'm gonna put it so there, and then make sure that your flowers are at the crease of the inside of your card. Glue that down, and then glue the other side, and then fold it closed to glue it down. Press it down, and then when you open it, oh, see, might need to hold it down for a second. Let it dry. And when you open it up, the flowers should open. All right. So I hope you like this craft, and I hope it works out for you. And I hope that your moms have a happy Mother's Day.